Your PC isn't slow because it's old. It's because Windows is hiding some of its best performance from you. Last time we looked at quick fixes, but today I'm showing you 5 pro settings that can maximize your speed forever. Let's dive in. Setting 1. Most people use the high performance power clan, but there's actually a hidden ultimate performance mode. To unlock it, search for PowerShell, run it as an administrator, and paste the code I've put in the description. Now, go to your power options and loosen the new plan. This ensures your hardware never holds back, especially during heavy tasks. Setting 2. Disabling startup apps is a basic move. To go pro, search for background apps in your settings. Windows is constantly running dozens of apps like rats, with their MUs in the background, even when they are closed. Flip the master switch to off. Your RAM will thank you. Setting 3. Windows uses a lot of resources just to make windows look pretty when they open and close. Search for Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Select the Adjust for best performance bubble. It might look a little more basic, but the speed at which folders and apps snap open is worthy. Setting 4. This is a huge run for anyone using kit-heavy software. Search for graphics settings, find the public for hardware accelerated GPU scheduling and turn it on. This allows your graphics card to manage store memory more efficiently, which reduces input lag and frees up your CPU. Note, you will need a quick restart for this one to begin. Setting 5. Most people just clear their recycling bin, but the real junk is hidden. Go to Settings, System, Storage, and click on Clean Up Recommendations. Look specifically for a Windows Update cleanup. These are massive old files from previous updates that Windows doesn't need anymore. Deleting these can often save you 10 to 20 gigs of space instantly. That's 5 pro settings that just give your PC a second life. In the future, I'll be dropping tech deep dives like this every 2 weeks to help keep your setup optimized. Make sure to subscribe to Create for the Blaze so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.